Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers, and yes, today once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new radical equation, very interesting and logical question. Let's come we start. So 2 into square root of a into square root of a is equal to a. How we can find the value of a is unknown of this radical equation. So first of all, if there are many methods we can solve this question, but we are try to solve these yes methods of this question. So first of all, we try to finish this 2 of the multiplication of this term, dividing both sides by 2 is into a square root is equal to a divided by 2, and here is also divided by 2. This 2 and 2 are cancelled, and here a into a square root is a whole square root is equal to a by 2 is remaining. Now we try to finish this square root. We can write first this square root a into change into 1 by 2, because square root is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to a divided by 2. Now we are taking square on both sides, try to finish they are exponent 1 by 2, so we can taking square on both sides, a into a square root whole 1 by 2, and taking square root on both sides is equal to a divided by 2 whole square. Now this 2 and 2 are cancelled. A into a square root is equal to, here we can write according to the exponent rule, 2 and 2 square, this will be equal to a square in divided by 4. And write a into a 1 by 2 is equal to a square divided by 4. Now according to the when the bases are same, so we add their exponent, and here we add their exponent. So a in 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to a square divided by 4. Now this term we can write, we are taking LCM of their powers, so 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 is equal to a square divided by 4. Now 2 multiplied by 1 we got 2, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to a square divided by 4. Now we add this 3 by 2 is equal to a square divided by 4. Now we try to squaring on both sides, because this time we try to finish this result. So we are squaring on both sides is equal to a square divided by 4 whole square. Now this 2 are cancelled, we get in here a cube is equal to, now according to the double exponent rule, 2 multiplied by 2 we get a 4 divided by, and here 4 and a square, so this will be equal to a exponent of 4, and this will be get 16, 4 square we get 16. Now we by cross multiplication we do in here, 16 is change in here, and a 4 divided by a cube. Now according to the quotient rule, division rule, when the bases are same, so we subtract their power, 4 minus 3 is equal to a, so we get the value of a is equal to 16. 16 is the value of this, but in the radical equation we must check the answer is correct or not, so we try to check the result of check. So 2 and 2 we get the value of a is 16, and 16 square root is equal to 16. So this is the question mark we take, and here check this result. So 16, if we try to solve this result first, so 4 square, this will be 4 square square root, so This is cancelled to each other. So this will be square is cancelled with each other. We get 16. So 2 into 16 into 4 is equal to 16 square. This is the question mark for us. So 2 into, so this will be 64. 64 is 16 question mark, and 2 into 8 square we can write. So the result is 16 is the question. This is also cancelled. 2 into 2, 2 into 8 is equal to 16 question mark. So 16 is equal to 16. So our solution is a is equal to 16 is the solution of set. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.